Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. This is 2024 Explorer. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life real quick. All right. Turn the key to the on. The engine is not running though. All right. Now you're gonna play with this. See that? Press OK to get it going. Now press this one, menu button. I'll take it there. Hold up, go back. My bad. Go there. Go menu. Information. Oil lives. Press OK. Press OK again. Hold OK to reset it. Oil life reset successful. There you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2024 Explorer. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll let your boy catch me in the next one. Yo, show your love by clicking on the heart right there where it says thanks. Show your love by contributing to the channel. Alright. That's like a tip or something. Okay, do that for the channel. Subscribe. Any comments, put in the comment box. Alright. I'll let your boy Axtuo. I'm out deep.